Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a closer look at the Toyota Corolla, a car known for reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality. Starting with the exterior, the Corolla carries a clean and modern look. The front grille gives it a confident presence, the headlights are sharp and well-defined, and the body lines are smooth and aerodynamic. Its shape isn't loud or flashy. It's elegant, balanced, and built to last. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Corolla comes with a 1.8L engine that delivers stable and smooth power. It responds well in city traffic and remains steady and composed on highways. The fuel efficiency is impressive, offering around 14 to 16 kilometers per liter, making it a strong choice for both daily driving and long journeys. Inside the cabin, the Corolla focuses on comfort and simplicity. The seats are supportive, making long drives easier and more relaxed. The dashboard layout is clear and user-friendly, and the center display gives access to navigation, music, and smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Everything feels easy, organized, and driver-focused. Safety has always been a priority in the Corolla. It comes equipped with airbags, ABS braking, traction control, and parking sensors. These features work together to provide confidence and protection, whether you're driving alone or traveling with family. Overall, the Toyota Corolla remains a strong choice for people who want a dependable, comfortable, and efficient car. It's smooth on the road, economical to maintain, and holds its value for years. If you want more reviews or a full driving test, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.